So here we have the BMW 218i on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car. And we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a two-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off in the boot area of the vehicle. First of all, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space available in there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, the total miles of the car, they are 66,223. You can change information that's displayed there or above that using the buttons on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have a speed limiter. We have our phone and stereo controls on the right-hand side. Behind the steering wheel is the start and stop button for the engine and the button to turn off the stop and start, where this car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. We're on to the main menu now. Firstly, the movement you can see me making on the screen is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. The buttons that surround it will obviously take you into those menus highlighted, but you can do everything with the dial. So at the very top, to listen to your own music under the multimedia heading, we have a CD player. We have external devices as well, so USB, Bluetooth audio, and auxiliary input as well. When it comes to radio, FM, AM, and DAB, as you can see, you can pair your phone under the telephone heading. And then under navigation, we have BMW's Business Nav, which is this really nice, clear color display. Very, very easy system to use. Lots of other menus. Vehicle information is a handy one. Vehicle status and then service requirements. You will see everything is up to date on this car with regards to its servicing. Hazard warning lights, deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. We have the volume for the stereo. We have the CD player. And then below that, the climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, the direction of the air, and the fan speed. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off. Back on again. The climate control element comes in when you press this button. The car will now take control of the fan speed to maintain this temperature for you. Press auto again. You go back to whatever setting you had that on previously. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders. We can turn off our traction control. We can change the driving setup of the car as well. So you're able to put the car into Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, which is your everyday driving, and Eco Pro. And then lastly, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.